breakfast and just relaxed for a bit, but now I'm going to kind of start getting ready for the beach. I got my swimsuit on, it's just this floral design. Now we're gonna get sunscreen on and go to the beach. Ignore my hair, it is a mess, but we just got in from the beach and the pool and everything. Now we're gonna get dressed, get ready, and my mom and I are gonna go to some shops where I got this ring last year, and yeah, so I'll be back once we're ready. We are now going to these stores. Here's a little video of my outfit because I accidentally recorded vertical when I was showing it. Sunset. I am now sitting in bed because my legs are so red. I put them up with aloe vera stuff on it or after sun gel. Good morning. It is now Friday. I got so sunburned yesterday that I could barely walk. I don't think you can really see in this light. My knees are so red, and yes, I have pants on. We are about to get ready and go to the shops at Wailea. I can barely walk though, so I don't know how this is gonna go. And then quick haul of what I got yesterday. I got this bracelet, and then I got this chicken pin and these guitar picks. Outfit on, you can literally see my tan lines and my like burn, but we are about to go to the shops at Wailea. So, a little bit ago, we finished shopping at the shops at Wailea. I didn't buy, I don't think, too much. I can show you. My burn hurts really bad. This isn't as bad as my legs. I could barely walk. So let me try. I got some cookies at Honolulu Cookie Company. I got this pink hair clip. And I think that is everything I got. We are now just gonna rest. My parents went to, there's an open house in this building, and they went to look at that. I stayed back because I can barely walk, but we are going to go to the pool in a bit. Saturday, and I'm gonna get ready, get dressed, and we are gonna go to a little shopping area in the South Maui Gardens, and I'm gonna take some pictures with some parrots, so I'm really excited. At the South Maui Gardens. I found the cat, of course. He's so friendly and so soft.
It's a lucky bird. Hi, Lucky. Hi, you lucky bird. Hi. I like her.
got back from the South Maui Gardens and the birds and everything, and now I am going to get dressed for my swimsuit and go to the pool because I'm sweating and it's so hot. So I really quickly wanted to just discuss something that happened in Hawaii about a year ago, last August, and it is the fires that were in Lahaina. And I believe they started as a bushfire, and because the winds were so high, it blew them out of control and it started this huge fire that caused a lot of destruction and destroyed many homes, like hundreds and thousands of homes and businesses. It also destroyed Front Street, which was one of the most popular streets. I think it had about 1,000 people daily coming to it. And I just think it's important to be aware of that and what happened here, and to support local businesses and support the people here who had things taken from them. And when you come here, of course, respect the island, respect everyone here, and just take into consideration what these people have been through. Now, the reason I brought this up also was because these birds had a stand there, and it's the LahainaBirdStand, and they used to be on Front Street, and you could go up and get pictures with them, and it was really fun. But unfortunately, the owner's house burned down, the aviary, but he was able to save all of his birds, thankfully, and he built a new aviary in the South Maui Gardens, which is where we went. And I just wanted to talk about this and make sure people are aware of what happened to him and his family and his birds. So if you are ever in the area, in Kihei or in Maui or nearby, then I definitely recommend that you go and see the birds and support him. And he told us his whole story. He was talking with us. We had an hour with him and the birds. And yeah, definitely if you're here, I say go support them. The birds were amazing. I'll put in more pictures here. There were so many pictures and they were amazing. They even had a special accommodation because I wanted to get a picture of one of my rings. And he set it up for me, and he made sure the bird stood the right way so I could get that done. But I just wanted to put this little section in there so people are aware of what happened here and can research it more and be more aware of it. Okay, we just got back from the pool. I, of course, forgot to record. But now I'm just gonna get dressed and probably eat a snack or watch YouTube, something like that. Here's a haul of everything I bought today. I bought this shell bracelet, and then I got this for free from a lady at a shop. And then I bought this patch, this pin that just has the Hawaiian Islands and says Maui. And then I got a crew neck, and it is so pretty. So it just says Maui, Hawaii, Aloha since 1959. And that's the back, and it has a turtle on the front. And I love this, and I love the color, and I love the puffiness and all that. It is now Sunday, and we are about to go to the beach and try not to get burnt again. We're probably not going to stay for long. And I'm wearing a different swimsuit today that has flowers. I left the beach because it was like way too hot, and I don't like sand and I don't like the beach. So right now I'm at the pool. It's really bright. I'm alone though for now, so I'm gonna get in the water and secure my spot in the water and then just hang out here. So it is a bit later. We got back from the pool a bit ago. I showered. I didn't wash my hair. I probably should have because it is so dry from the salt in the air. My parents just went to Safeway and I'm just staying back because I want to relax. I'm really tired, but I put on such a cute outfit and then I decided I wasn't going to go out, so I'm going to show my outfit. So we got this lace shirt from Hollister and then this really pretty skirt that I got from The Natural Life. I'm basically just going to sit back and probably edit my YouTube video because I have one that I want to try and post tonight, but I'm probably just going to chill and relax for a while. So I think basically the rest of today what's going to happen is we're just going to watch sunset, eat dinner, and then that's probably going to be it. So I'm going to close out this vlog because I will be posting a part 2 to my vacation. That will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, traveling home, and then I don't know when I'll get that up. I'm hoping by Friday or Saturday. But thank you guys for watching this video. I really enjoyed filming it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye!